Hi, in this video I will show you how to change the background of any picture in the PicsArt. So the process is pretty simple. So first of all you have to open any picture in your PicsArt. In this video I will change the background of this picture. So once you will do it, after that you have to crop this photo to the portrait like I did and save it to your gallery. Once you will do it, now you have to go to the effects from here, and in the effects you have to look for the colors, and in the colors you have to select black and the white and make the lower part black, and the for background you need to make it white. So I simply do it. Click on the normal, okay, it's done. Now click on the tick and go to the draw from here. Once you will in the draw, you have to first of all make the black part full black and the white part fully white. Select the color and make it white from here. Okay, we have done it. Now you have to click on the tick. Now you have to go to the effects and you have to click on the blur and make it blur, and from here you have to make the amount of the blur very low, like 1 or 2. Okay, now you have to add the picture you have saved before in your device. Click on the add picture and you have to save the original one, or open the original one and click on the add. Adjust it according to your screen. Once you will do it, now go to the blend and you have to click on the screen. You will see background is white. Now tap on it and you have to save this picture into your gallery. Picture is saved. Now you have to undo from the top. Okay, once you will do it, now go to the effects again and go to the colors. Okay, in the colors you will see negative just after the black and white. Tap on it, and once you will do it, now tap on it and again add a new picture, and you have to add a picture of the sky. You can download simply from your browser. Click on the add and adjust it on the black part. Once you will do it, now you have to go to the blend and select the mode to the screen, and you will see it's adjust on the background. And now you have to again add a new picture and select one picture with the white background and click on the add. Adjust it on the screen. Now you have to go to the blend and click on the multiply, and background is changed. Tap on it. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.